Hello, my name is Brett Teplitz, and I'm a PGY6 at UPMC. I'm also the Northeastern Section Rep for the AUA Residence and Fellows Committee and the Medical Student Workgroup Liaison. Today, we're going to discuss determining your goals. The AUA isn't just another conference. It's the largest gathering of urologists anywhere in the world, with over 16,000 people from over 100 countries. Last year, there were over 2,700 abstracts, over 350 exhibitors, and hundreds of hours of content available on demand. The breadth and depth of the educational, networking, and engagement opportunities is really hard to fathom, and it can be overwhelming to those that have never been before. That's why it's important to set your goals and make a plan. You won't be able to see and do everything, but your days can be really productive and fun if you plan accordingly. Do you have any presentations? Make sure you've blocked out that time first. Get to the speaker ready room, check your printed poster and slides, and make sure you know how to get to your presentation room and the structure of the event because it can change year to year. When are your friends, mentors, and networking targets presenting? Plan around those next. Make note of the programs that are developed specifically for medical students, residents and fellows, and early career urologists. The forums in particular offer high yield content for trainees. Plus, going to these events makes it easy to meet new colleagues who can show you the ropes. For medical students, make sure you go to the Medical Student Mingle and the Speed Mentoring events. Are you thinking about or already applying for fellowship? Make sure you go to the subspecialty society meetings, which are usually held in conjunction with the annual meeting. The app should tell you which content will be recorded and which can be watched later on your own time. This will help you prioritize the events and sessions that you can only view live. Lastly, check out our AUA 2026 Attendee Survival Guide for trainees for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your AUA experience. I look forward to seeing you there.